Hey gang, today I'm going to show you a simple tutorial how to copy trade insiders, influencers, and professional traders. Meme coin season is here and people are making millions of dollars. And of course, if you're not a professional trader, the easiest way is to copy the professionals and the insiders. So subscribe and let's move straight to the tutorial. So first of all, we need to find a profitable wallet to copy trade. So let's jump into the deck screener and let's check out some of the new tokens. First of all, we are looking for the new tokens with a $1 million plus market cap because we want to see the bigger tokens. So for example, we have this new token called Gen Z. It's sitting at $1.4 million in market cap. So I think this could be a pretty good token to actually find the traders. So let's click on it. Next up, we have this button, top traders, which shows us the top traders of this token. Right here, you can see how much, for example, this trader invested and how much he made just by trading this one token. We need to find some traders that put in small amount and actually made big profit, because I think most people watching my channel are not trading tens of thousands of dollars. I think you are trading smaller amounts. That's why we have to copy traders with similar strategies. For example, this trader invested $610 and he made $5,400 in profit. So basically almost 10x. I think this could be a pretty good trader to copy. If you click right here, you can see when did this trader buy and when he sold. And actually it looks really good. He bought right in the beginning and he sold on the way up. So just from this quick research, you can see this trader is betting small amounts, and actually this trader is buying at the right time and also selling at the right time. So let's get his wallet. Let's click right here. This will open SolScan, basically a Solana Explorer, and let's copy his wallet. Next up, we have to jump into the platform called Autosnipe, and actually I have a few videos about Autosnipe on my channel. You can find it in the description because they have really great AI bot. Also, if you want to use Autosnipe, you can find the link in the description. If you use my link, you're getting a lifetime 10% discount on all the fees. And if you plan to make money, of course, all savings matter. So let's jump into the button called copy trading and let's paste in the wallet we just found. And let's click next or green circle. This will open our settings. So right here, we will have a history. Right now, we have no history because we haven't started copy trading and we have really simple setup. That's why I actually picked out this platform, because it's super simple. So right here, we can name our copy trading profile. So let's do it test for YouTube, basically. Call the wallet you're copying, so test. Next up, we have two choices. The first one is by exact amount, and the second is by the percentage of the actual trade. So for example, if the trader we're copying is buying 1 Solana worth of some kind of meme coin, do you want to copy the full amount? For example, you can copy 100% his position. Basically, you're going to copy everything, what he's doing, same amount. Or for example, if you have a smaller budget, you can buy exact amounts. For example, if you want to copy every trade, but you only want to copy 0.1 Solana per trade. If you're a beginner, I would recommend you going with a buy exact 4. And right here, I usually put in 10% of my total budget. So for example, if you want to copy trade 1 Solana, put in 0.1. So under that, you can actually put in how much Solana do you want to allocate for this trader. So let's go 1 Solana. And this means I allocated 1 Solana to copy trade this trader. And each buy order is going to be 0.1. So basically 10% of your full pot. Next up, coin pair platforms. You have to select pump.fund because lots of these insiders have really good inside information about pump.fund tokens. And also if you invest in the pump.fund, you have opportunity of 50 or maybe even 100x returns on your investment. Next up, it's really important to set up stop loss trigger. Basically, this means if the trade is going not your way and you're losing money, at what percentage of loss you will sell your position. So basically, I usually set it at 20% because I don't like high risk. It's a bit on the safer side. And we have, again, the manual exit and sell strategy. So this is, again, really important because this setting could actually make you money or lose your whole fund. So let's remove everything because I don't really like these default settings. So first of all, I would like to take 20% when I made 50% just to keep my bank safe. Next up, let's go again, 20%. When we made 120%. So let's do it right here. And we still have 60% of our position. And now let's go a bit higher risk. Again, 20%, but this time we made 250%. Okay. And we have 40%. So again, 20%. and I would go maybe even 400, maybe let's go 500. And we have the last 20%, which I call the moon bag. Basically, you're hoping for the best. So let's add one more, 20%. So let's go, for example, 1000%. And what does it all mean? So basically, it means when your trader makes a trade and your position is up by 50%, the bot will sell 20% of your position. And the same goes after. So once your position is up by 120%, the bot will sell another 20% of the position. And you can see we have the full 100% right here. Again, you can do different settings depending on your risk tolerance. And basically that's it. That's why it's so easy. And that's why people are making money, because it's really, really simple. Just activate the copy trading. You will see all the trades on screen. You will see how much money you're making or maybe losing. Again, there's no guarantees. And the last thing I want to show you, if we jump into the Autosnipe Twitter, you can see some of the traders are posting their profits. For example, this guy, November 4th, he made 30x actually using Autosnipe. So guys, again, all the links in the description. I also have a really great tutorial on my channel showing you how to use AI Sniper. I actually even show my results so you can see how much money you can make. So you can find this video on my channel. And the last thing, I also have a special program called Meme Money, where you can actually learn how to trade from $0 to $10,000 per month, just trading meme coins, altcoins, crypto. So all this information in the description. Subscribe. See you next time.